I'd like to introduce you to our SleekWrapper I65. The I stands for inverted, which is our sealing jaw assembly is on the top of the pouch. This particular unit has the ability to make a max pouch length of 24 inches long by 11 inches wide. Depending on the bag size, has the ability to run up to 60 bags per minute. So the way this Sleek I65 works is there's a photo sensor here that reads the length of the product to identify what pouch length it should be making. So that will auto adjust and communicate with the sealing assembly on what length of the pouch it should be. And then what's gonna happen is our sealing jaw assembly is going to automatically adjust itself for the length of that pouch. The Sleek I65 is typically used in the baking industry that has a variance of lengths of products, such as this loaf of bread versus this baguette. And then two, fresh produce that, think of a pineapple spear. The pineapple spear has water to it. So what we're doing is we're having that particular product on the film riding along the transition and not leaking through the bottom of the seal.